this English is a problem. That's why our first lady now don't vex. They speak pidgin. Go English don't feel work now. So I love my first lady. Whether I like her or not, I love her. God knows she cannot speak English, and God still make that first lady anyway. Because English, no, today they don't speak English. They speak English, they get independence. Now independence will get 90 plus problem. Because for you, they handle us. Ask this Oyibo man, he will tell you that they talk. Now Oyibo they handle us. Everything for the work normal. Now there's and they start this problem won't get so even this my MC, all this English when they speak, more gonna beg them. They confuse all of us. So what I'm saying is, this abuse of women is very dangerous in our place. Men are really abusing women. Children are really being abused. Tonight we need all your financial support. I know you're praying. We know you're praying for the 200 and something girls that was taken by Boko Haram to be brought back. All that thing are not to the happen. They don't think catch any Igbo girl. Igbo girls are very smart.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Quickly, a very quick announcement before I bring in the next speaker. Ladies and gentlemen, there will be a bring back our girls rally at the Nigerian embassy on tell me, Monday? Is it on Monday? Wednesday. Give me the date, please, quickly. Wednesday, May 21st, at the Nigerian embassy from 9 a.m. to 12 noon, in keeping, in pari passu with what is going on here. And if other women are doing this on our behalf, why not us? And this is being sponsored by Nigerian groups, women groups, the Friends of Nigerian Girls in Captivity.